Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and welcome to day 4 of the 10-day wire earring making challenge. Today we're going to make some super fun and easy lightning bolt earrings. What you're going to need for the project is 20 gauge wire. I'm using aluminum wire, and we need 6mm beads, a couple of earring hooks, and your tools. So I'm going to use my little earring hack for this project. You're going to take your wire, it's about 8 inches long, and you're just going to go like a little off to one side of the center. You're going to bend it with your round pliers and make sure there's a bit of a space in there. You don't want it too tightly bent, and then we'll do the same, bend it around the same place on your other wire. And then what I like to do is I take both of these wires and I put them together, and then we're going to form our the lightning bolt part. So we're just going to hold these together, make sure the ends are beside each other. So we're going to hold them together, make sure these ends are flush, and then what we want to do is we want to bend it to the side. So make sure that we're going to bend it, like make sure these are kind of upright, and make sure we're going to bend it that way. So we're going to take it like about 1/2 inch to 5/8 of an inch to the side, and we're going to bend it down. And then wherever you want your lightning bolt, a little hack, if you want like a sharper bend, use your flat pliers. So we're going to take the flat pliers, hold them here, and about say 3/8, 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch, bend it up, and then here maybe about 1/2 to 5/8 of an inch. It just depends on how long you want them. Okay, down, and then again about the same, 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch up, and then sort of you have your basic shape for the lightning bolt. And then where you're going to actually make the loop, we're just going to take this end and then bend it up like that. See? So we have sort of our basic shape, and then this part you can just do by eye, and you can just kind of follow the lines here. You can also stack them up again if you want, but it might be easier to do them individually. So now just like above where that is, we're just going to take this and bend it here, and then over here just bend it to a little bit to the side. So even if they're a little bit off the two sides, at least you'll have the basic shape. That's good. And we're going to bend this here and then bend this here. And then what you're going to do is just stack this one underneath the other, hold it like right where that bend is, and twist it around. Okay, we're going to give it a good snug twist and then clip the end. And then we need a loop at the top, so we're just going to take our round pliers and then bring that around and around here, and wind it around a couple of times. Depends on, how high up you make the loop. And then clip that one there. And you're going to need your flat pliers. See, if we do them like this in their mirror image, you could either use commercial head pins or you could make your own. So let's go ahead and make our own head pins. So we just need a couple of pieces of wire. They don't have to be long. So cut it to like just over 1 inch, and then cut the end like flush. So we have these two, and then to make the head pin, we'll just take this, do a little bit of a turn and back. It's just so the bead won't come off the end. Same thing here. We're going to take the end, twist it around and back here. So for these ones, I'm going to use cat's eye beads. Cat's eye beads are my second favorite beads to miracle beads. So we're just going to take this, and then what you can do is just trim it to 3/8 to 1/2 inch here. And then to dangle it on the lightning bolt, you take your larger round pliers and then bend, hold this in your hand, bend it back, and then around. Bend and around. So then make sure it's not 100% closed, because then you'll get your lightning bolt, and just stick it on there. Here. And all you have to do now is put on your hooks, and you'll want to hang them like sort of in a mirror image. It's always nice to have earrings that are hanging opposite ways. So we have this one that way, and then we want to check the direction of that one. That's going to be the opposite way. So we'll take that hook and open it up and close it up, and there we have our super cute, easy-ish lightning bolt earrings. And make sure they're this opposite way. Perfect. Thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to join the Facebook group, we have the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club, where we share all kinds of photos of our work and inspiration. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelries. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to join my mailing list, you can sign up. I'll put the link below, and I'll send you my free Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks so much for watching. If you're joining the challenge, be sure to join the Facebook group, and if the challenge is over, no worries, you can still join our Facebook group, or check out the event page for creations that people have made in the challenge. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.